Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech, back with another video. And today's video guys are going to be showing you how to actually make money from Temu, which is an online marketplace, an equivalent marketplace to actually AliExpress. If you know the website, it's a Chinese marketplace as well, but Temu actually targets people from the EU, which is Europe and the US. So in today's video in particular, we're going to be taking this product and we're going to sign up to the affiliate program, get our affiliate link, and we're going to post our affiliate products on Pinterest, and we're going to do all of this using an automation on Make. So all of this process is going to be automated using Make. And if you are wondering how we're going to do that, then this is the automation itself, which I created, and I'm going to be talking about it in a second. So essentially what we're going to be doing is upload our data to Google Sheets and automate the posting of these data on Pinterest and getting the data that we posted updated. So the sheet itself is going to look like this. So we have the product title, which we're going to scrape up off Temu. We're going to show you how to do that. Then the product URL, which is our affiliate product. Then we have the product image. Then we have the description and the status of this post. So if we post it, it's gonna update it and it's gonna switch to the status to posted. So if we post this, it's gonna say it's posted. If it is pending, it's gonna say it's pending as well. So this is basically the rundown of what we're gonna be doing today. So without further ado, let's start with our video. First thing, like I said, you're gonna head to Temu and sign up for an account. Once you do that, head to their affiliate and influencer program. All of the links, by the way, will be in the description down below. Same goes for the templates on Google Sheets and the templates on Make. So everything is just free, and follow along to actually get your automation working. So like I said, head back to Temu and sign in for an affiliate account. Then go to the home page. Then in here, you gotta pick the niche that you wanna work on. So for example, if you got a Pinterest account that posts, I don't know, women's and clothing stuff, you're gonna select that. If you got a Pinterest account that posts products about home and kitchen, you're gonna pick that. Whatever suits you. All right, so you gotta pick a niche. Then all you need to do is just look up this extension. It's called Temu Scraper, and pretty much you can find it on every browser possible. So look it up, add it to your browser, and just like that, you have added a tool which makes this whole process easier. Once that is done, all you need to do is just head back to the front page, like I said, of Temu, and click on the extension tab. So let's just click on extension up here and click on the Temu Scraper. Once you do that, this pop-up should appear, and it might say, or it might tell you to actually create an account. So do that, and once you create your account, you should have this option which says extract listing. So click on it, and as you can see, we have extracted almost 360 items just by single click. Like with one single click, we extracted all the items on the front page. You can actually load up more the more you scroll on this web page. For now, we're just stick with this. So click add to export list and export data, then select export as CSV. Once you download your CSV, go to Google Sheets and click on upload and upload the file you just downloaded. All right, so in here we have uploaded the file that we just downloaded from the scraper, and we need to actually make this somewhat organizable, okay? Because we need some data in here, but not all of these columns, as you can see. So the first thing that you need to do is just, like I said, delete this ID. And probably you don't need to actually do all of that, because the templates will be in the description down below. All you need to do is just replace the product title, the product URLs, and the product images, and the description. That's all you need to do. So the template will be, like I said, in the description down below, but in case you want to follow along and make it yourself, so this is what you need to do. Delete the ID and delete the column itself. So click on delete column. Let's just leave the product title, product URL, product image. We don't need the alternative text, price, and yeah, all of these. So let's just select these as well. The currency, the discount tab, sales, rating, review, status. So all of these should be gone. Just click on delete selected columns, just like that. Okay, we just need these three right here, the first three. Then add two more columns, and the next column should be description, where you will actually be adding description to each product in here, and the status of these products. And in the status, just put pending, just like that. Again, I repeat myself, you don't need to actually do this if you want to actually save some time, but if you want to follow along, then all you need to do is just this. So what we're gonna have is just the product title, product URL, product image, and the description for each product, and the status of the products. And we don't need anything else but these columns. And what we need to do now is just, first and foremost, we need to actually summarize the product title. So copy all these products that you have in here, and go to ChatGPT or Perplexity, whatever AI chatbot that you have, and in here just type in or tell the chatbot that you need a short title for each product and a short description for these products as well. Now that ChatGPT has finished the work that we just told it to do, I just again typed in and I told it to actually give me all of these data in a CSV format, and it just did that, and it gave us the original title, the short one, and the description for each product as well. So all we need to do is just replace the product with their respective short title now, and we can do the same for the description. So copy all of this data, head back to your Google Sheet, and post the short title for each one. So as you can see, we just pasted now the short title, and for the product description we're gonna do the same. So pretty much head back to your CSV file, copy everything from here, and do the same for the description in your sheet. Now for the last step, we need to switch these product URLs into our own affiliate URLs, basically, because if we click on the product itself, it will redirect us to the product page, but not our affiliate link. So what we need to do is just take all of these URLs, like I said, and this is probably the most annoying part or tedious part that you need to do yourself manually, but it's actually worth it. You need to take the URL of the product, go back to Temu affiliate, click on hot items in here, and you're gonna find the convert link option here. Click on it, paste your affiliate or your product link, then click on get link, then copy link from here, and now you should have your own affiliate link. So this should be your affiliate link. You need to do this for all of the products that you see in here. Again, the template will be ready for you. You need to actually fill in your details or fill in the products that you want to actually post on Pinterest. So everything should be cut short for you to follow along with this tutorial. Now, once you are done with your affiliate links, you should have the product titles just like this. The product URL should be neat as well. This should be your affiliate link right here. The product image like this, and you have the description, and you got the status in here. Now for the final step is to actually head to make and create your account. Once you do that, all you need to do is just click on import blueprint and import the blueprint that you will have in the description as well. Once you do that, you should have this automation ready for you. So let's just guide you through all the stuff that you need to do. Click on Google Sheets right here and make a connection with your Google account. So essentially use the same account that you use to actually create this Google Sheet right here. Once you do that, just leave search method as search by path, my drive, and in the spreadsheet choose your spreadsheet ID. Okay, and spreadsheet ID essentially is your spreadsheet name. So this is the ID up top, and this is the file name in the bottom as well. So make sure to rename these, like do not leave them as with random names. So make sure to actually use names for your spreadsheets. Choose the sheet name as well. It's 24. The table content should be yes. A1Z1 limit should be 1. So we're gonna post a product with each time that we run this automation. Then the second module should be Pinterest. So click on it and click on create connection and connect your Pinterest account. So let's just put it on no and yes and create our connection. Now, once you connect your Pinterest account, click on source type and leave it as image URL. For the image URL, you need to actually pick the product image from our columns right here. So pick the product image in here and is it standard, leave it as empty. And for the board, make sure to select a board that you have on your Pinterest account. And what board means, if you don't know, if you go to your Pinterest accounts and if we go to saved, these are the boards right here. So these are the boards right here. So if you don't have anyone, create one from here and click create on board, name it whatever name you feel like it. and just like that you have a board that you can choose and make. So let's just for example choose vouchers, just like that. Bar section we'll just leave it as that. We'll leave it empty, it does not matter. Product title we'll just map it to our product title from the sheet, just like this. And the description as well. Alternative text, we don't have that. Dominant color, we don't have that. And for the link, we should map it to the product URL, which is our affiliate link. So click save right here. The next thing, we just need to do the same. Connect your Google Sheet account once again. So click on add, sign in with Google account. Select your spreadsheet which you have these data on. So it should be 24 from my case, 24 CSV. And the filter now, select status, just like this, and type in pending. Okay, just type in that by hand, or you should have it like this if you used like I said, the template. So click save. The last thing should be updating our cell and create another connection, and in here leave it as served by path. Drive, select my drive, spreadsheet, select your spreadsheet, and in here type in your status column. So in our case it was E, right? So yeah, it was E. So the status column is E in our case. It could be different for you, but what you can do, if it is like another letter in here, type in the letter followed by the status. So type in, for example, if you have F, type in F, then put in status right here. Okay, so that's what you need to do. And in the value, you can change it to whatever you want. You can pretty much put updated, posted, whatever the case might be. I just like posted, so I just typed in posted, and once that is done, click save, and you should now be ready to go. The last thing that you can do is just probably set up this automation to work every 15 minutes or whatever you feel like it. So in the scheduler, you can put the time that you want this automation to run. So in our case, we'll just run it a single time. So click on run once. It will just go through the steps that we have mentioned here. It's gonna pull the data from our sheets, post it on Pinterest, then go back to Pinterest and update the status of the post itself. So if we go to Pinterest right here and just refresh our account and see if we actually posted stuff, the product, or no, we have actually indeed posted the product in here. And as you can see, it's a product image. And if we click on visit site, it should take us to Temu itself. And we got the fit-in data for this product itself. So we have a title and a description as well. And if we go back to our sheet, as you can see, it's getting updated with each post that we make via the automation itself. So the first one was pending, now it's switched to posted, and just like that, your sheet is gonna get updated each time you post something on Pinterest. All right, we have reached the end of our video. Like I said, if you want to get started with Temu affiliate marketing, then this is the proper way to do it. And we showed you how to automate all of this using Make. The templates and the CSV file will be in the description down below. And if you want to see more automation, then let me know in the comment section down below. This was Hadi, and yeah, take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.